If you're wondering how to build a list in AWeber quickly and easily, stick around because I'm breaking it all down in this video. Plus, I'll share a tip at the end on a tool I found even better for growing and managing your email list. The first thing you'll need to do after logging into AWeber is head over to the Lists tab. Click Create a List, and this is where you'll set up the basics, your company name, website, and contact details. Make sure everything here looks professional because this is the info your subscribers will see at the bottom of your emails. Next, you'll need to customize your list settings. This includes your list name and description. Keep the description concise but clear, explaining what kind of emails your subscribers can expect. This helps reduce unsubscribes later on. Now, let's talk about opt-in forms. Go to the Sign Up Forms section. This is where you'll create the form people will use to join your list. AWeber provides a drag-and-drop builder, which is handy, but some of the templates might feel a bit outdated. Customize the form fields, add a compelling headline, and don't forget to include a strong call to action like Join Now or Get Free Tips. Once your form is ready, you can embed it on your website. If you're using WordPress, AWeber offers a plugin to make this easier, though some users report that it can be a bit clunky. Alternatively, you can simply paste the form's HTML code into your site. Now, automation is key if you want to scale. Head to the Campaigns tab to set up automated welcome emails. You can create a simple drip sequence that introduces new subscribers to your brand, shares valuable content, or offers exclusive deals. AWeber makes this pretty straightforward, although the automation options are more basic compared to some competitors. Next, let's cover segmenting your list. AWeber allows you to create segments based on subscriber behavior, like people who've opened a certain email or clicked a specific link. This is useful for targeting your audience with more personalized messages, but be aware that it can get a bit tricky to manage as your list grows. Finally, remember to keep your list clean. Regularly remove inactive subscribers to improve your open rates and avoid paying for people who aren't engaging with your content. AWeber has basic tools to help with this, but it's not as advanced as some newer platforms. Now, AWeber is a solid option for list building, especially if you're just starting out, but after testing it and other platforms, I've found that some tools offer better automation, cleaner interfaces, and more advanced features. If you want to check out my top recommendation for growing and managing your list more effectively, click the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial with bonus features only available through that link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick explanation helped.